For struggling self-storage owners and operators who are searching for a way to enhance their sites, maximize revenue, and optimize space in their facilities, the Janus International R3 program has been helping to restore, rebuild, and replace their sites. The Janus Door Replacement Program does the heavy lifting by providing a team of experienced professionals that can replace up to 25 old doors with brand new product in less than 24 hours. Door replacement isn't just about aesthetic appeal. It's a security measure. After installing new Janus doors, our customers see their break-in rates dramatically drop. In fact, prior to replacing their doors with industry-leading Janus swing doors, this facility had 77 break-ins in under 6 months. Since the Janus team replaced this facility's climate-controlled swing doors, there have been 0 reported break-ins. Our portable storage mass units are fully built of steel and designed to maximize idle land, help increase rental capacity, and can fully depreciate in 1 year. Unlike the plastic containers from competitors, our mass units look like traditional storage and will stand the test of time. Recently, we've partnered with experts in the cost segregation field, so owners can now save serious money on federal taxes and quickly put more cash flow into their facility by writing off discarded items like interior and exterior doors, interior partitions, and more after replacement. The bottom line advantages of R3 are undeniable. For example, if you take a 500-unit facility of a Class B property at a 90% occupancy rate and go through with a full door replacement project from Janus, owners can see a net increase in value of almost $1 million. Our new R3 Rewards program gives owners and operators significant perks for investing in the quality and safety of their sites. With levels in bronze, silver, gold, and platinum, more advantages are available with each upgrade put into the facility. With all of these new and exciting developments in the Janus R3 program, we're looking forward to helping even more owners and operators revitalize their sites.